giving natural. This is the ponytail that I found in my beauty supply. The honesty in me, I really just wanted to explain that it wasn't mine. But sometimes I don't know how to just say thank you without downplaying things. So I was just like, thank you. Just got done washing my hair, you guys, and as you can see, this is what it's looking like. A lot of shrinkage. It was longer than this when I came out the shower, and I'm so excited to, not only because of the ponytail, but I get to try this brand new oil. Well, it's brand new to me. Y'all, let's open it. It's Scalp Love by Eli's Garden, and I'm gonna show y'all again right here on camera. This is literally what I just oiled my hair with. Handmade in Florida. It has some really great ingredients in here. We about to get into this ponytail. I really love how my hair feels after it. Well, and y'all, I didn't even use a blow dryer. It's giving like moisturize. I went ahead and massaged it for approximately 5 minutes. That was recommended. This is the ponytail that I found in my beauty supply for $8, and it's giving natural. So I'm gonna do a low back ponytail, and lately I have been loving middle parts. This hair is called Afro Puff, and I got it in color 2. This is by Destiny Beauty Elements, $8. Watch how I'm gonna make it work with my hair. So I've been loving the middle parts, and it's crazy because I feel like middle parts don't fit my face, but as far as ponytail, oh yeah, we about to do that. I also went ahead and got the Belletique Professional Maximum Hold. This was, I want to say, under $10. Yeah, $8. And then I also got an Eco Styler Gel, a little bottle, because I haven't really been into those lately, and I got a black one. I got my middle part. This is what we going with as far as the middle part, and I'm gonna go in with the Eco Styler Gel first. After I get much of my hair in one with the Eco Styler, I go in with the Belletique, and this is what I've just been doing most recently. And this is my brush that does these ponytails. I try not to use it on my edges too much because, of course, my edges are thin, and I pretty much had thin edges all my life. They just got a little worse over time. It's typically what I do. So we're gonna go in now with the Belletique, and I'm gonna add another scrunchie. And it's so crazy, guys. I can't see without my glasses. I try to do this without my glasses. I normally wear contacts, but I'll put my glasses on so I can see what's happening throughout the rest of this video till I get my ponytail together. This is the back of my hair, so it's looking like pretty decent. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put the ponytail on. My favorite part. The only complaint I have about this drawstring ponytail is that the clips, they are really a flimsy-ish. So if you are into a more thicker clip, good thing it has the scrunch right here as well. Not all ponytails got a little scrunch going on right here. So when you draw the string, it gets tight. I'm gonna go a little low, not too low. I want it too high. All right. So I'm gonna put the first clip in the top. I went to the gym the other day with my other ponytail, and I like the other one too. It's just more of like a perm texture. I went to the gym with that one the other day, and one of the employees was like, I love your hair. Like, I love you. I was like, the honesty in me, I really just wanted to explain that it wasn't mine. But sometimes I don't know how to just say thank you without downplaying things. So I was just like, thank you. But y'all, I felt bad after. I should just let her know, like, this is a ponytail girl. This is a whole ponytail. But so I go through, I do that, and then I just pin it. Make sure, because I like the security. Okay. Yes. Okay. You know what I'm saying? You cannot tell me this is not mine. I did go ahead and leave these two little pieces out by my ears, and yeah, so if you guys are interested in a drawstring ponytail and you're like, well, I do not know if it's gonna give like natural, hit up the beauty supply that's closest to you, or try Amazon. I am not sure if this one's on Amazon, but if I find this, I'll definitely link it below on my Amazon storefront. And I did not forget the nighttime skincare routine, y'all, so please don't beat me up. I did not forget. We'll get into it. But I really hope y'all enjoy this video, and let me know if y'all have any questions in the comment section down below. And thank you so much for love and support thus far. Thank you. Love you guys. See you guys in the next one.